Black holes, those enigmatic titans of the cosmos, have long captured the imagination of scientists, philosophers, and curious minds alike. Invisible to the naked eye, yet powerful enough to shape entire galaxies, these celestial phenomena represent one of the most profound and awe-inspiring mysteries in modern astrophysics. Unlike stars or planets, black holes are not defined by the light they emit, but by what they consume and what they conceal. They are regions in space where gravity becomes so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape. This extreme boundary marks the edge of our current understanding of physics. At the heart of every black hole lies the singularity, a point where matter is compressed beyond known limits and the fabric of space and time is thought to collapse into an undefined state. Here, the equations of general relativity cease to provide meaningful answers, hinting that a deeper theory of reality must exist beyond what we currently understand. The theoretical foundation of black holes dates back to Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity, formulated in 1915, which transformed gravity from a classical force into a geometric property of spacetime shaped by mass and energy. Just a year later, Karl Schwarzschild discovered a precise solution to Einstein's equations that revealed the possibility of a region so dense that not even light could escape it. This was the earliest mathematical description of what we now call a black hole. For many decades, the idea remained controversial, regarded more as a mathematical curiosity than a physical object. Gradually, however, observations began to shift scientific opinion. By the mid-20th century, astronomers started detecting unusual cosmic sources emitting intense X-rays, later traced to binary systems where a visible star was orbiting an invisible and extremely massive companion. One of the earliest confirmed examples, Cygnus X1, provided strong evidence that black holes were not theoretical illusions but real astrophysical entities scattered throughout the universe, quietly shaping the motion and evolution of nearby matter. Although invisible, black holes play a central role in cosmic structure. Nearly every large galaxy appears to contain a supermassive black hole at its core, with masses ranging from millions to billions of times that of the Sun. Our own Milky Way hosts Sagittarius A*, a relatively quiet but immensely powerful object whose gravity governs the orbits of nearby stars and gas clouds. Surrounding many black holes is an accretion disk, formed when gas, dust, and stellar debris spiral inward under extreme gravitational forces. As this material accelerates and collides, it heats to millions of degrees, emitting intense radiation, especially in X-ray wavelengths. In some cases, black holes launch relativistic jets that shoot high-energy particles across intergalactic distances, influencing entire galactic environments. Far from being simple destroyers, black holes act as regulators of cosmic evolution, shaping how galaxies grow, how stars form, and how matter is distributed across the universe. The physics near a black hole becomes increasingly strange as one approaches the event horizon, the boundary beyond which escape is impossible. Time slows dramatically relative to distant observers, and objects falling inward appear to freeze at the edge from an external viewpoint. Closer still, tidal forces become extreme, stretching objects into long, thin streams in a process often referred to as spaghettification. For rotating black holes, described by the Kerr solution, an additional region called the ergosphere appears, where spacetime itself is dragged along by the black hole's rotation. In principle, this region allows for extraordinary physical effects, including theoretical mechanisms for extracting energy from the black hole's spin. Some speculative models even suggest connections between black holes and wormholes, hypothetical tunnels through spacetime that could link distant regions of the universe. While these ideas remain unproven, they arise naturally from Einstein's equations and continue to inspire research into the boundaries of physics. At the center of observational progress stands one of the most groundbreaking achievements in modern astronomy, the direct imaging of a black hole. In 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope, a global network of synchronized radio observatories, captured the first image of a black hole's shadow in the galaxy M87, located about 55 million light-years away. The image revealed a glowing ring of superheated plasma surrounding a dark central region, marking the silhouette of the event horizon itself. This achievement confirmed a century of theoretical predictions and provided humanity with its first visual evidence of these extraordinary objects. Later advancements in gravitational wave astronomy, led by detectors such as LIGO and Virgo, further transformed our understanding. These instruments have detected ripples in spacetime produced by black hole mergers, allowing scientists to listen to collisions that occurred billions of years ago. Each detection adds new insight into how black holes form, grow, and interact across cosmic time. Beyond observation, black holes also challenge our deepest theoretical frameworks. The singularity at their core represents a breakdown of known physics, where general relativity predicts infinite density while quantum mechanics resists such infinities. This conflict has driven the search for a unified theory of quantum gravity. One leading candidate is string theory, which proposes that all fundamental particles are not point-like objects but tiny vibrating strings of energy. Different vibrational modes of these strings produce the particles and forces we observe. In this framework, the universe becomes a vast cosmic symphony, with matter and energy emerging from fundamental vibrations. String theory also suggests the existence of additional spatial dimensions beyond the familiar three, potentially hidden at scales too small to detect. These extra dimensions may influence how gravity behaves at extreme energies, offering possible pathways toward resolving paradoxes associated with black holes, including the question of whether information that falls into them is permanently lost or somehow preserved. Black holes are not uniform objects. Some rotate rapidly, described by solutions derived from the Kerr metric, creating complex regions where spacetime is twisted and distorted. Others remain relatively non-rotating but still exert immense gravitational influence. Across all types, black holes share one defining feature: the event horizon, the ultimate boundary separating observable universe from the unknown. Modern research suggests that black holes may not only destroy information but also encode it in subtle ways on their surfaces or in their emitted radiation, hinting at deep connections between gravity, thermodynamics, and quantum theory. As observational tools improve and theoretical models evolve, scientists continue to uncover layers of complexity that were previously unimaginable. Today, black holes are no longer just theoretical curiosities or distant astrophysical objects. They are active participants in the cosmic story, shaping galaxies, influencing star formation, and revealing the limits of human understanding. With every new discovery, from gravitational wave detections to horizon-scale imaging, we move closer to understanding these extraordinary phenomena. Yet at the same time, black holes deepen the mystery of the universe itself. They stand at the intersection of creation and destruction, order and chaos, knowledge and uncertainty. In studying them, we are ultimately studying the boundaries of reality. And as our instruments and theories continue to advance, black holes remain one of the most profound reminders that the universe is far stranger, deeper, and more interconnected than anything we have yet imagined.